It's so normal for men to be desperate, to be running after a woman with hunger and desire, trying really hard to get noticed by a girl who's probably not into them. It's so normal to stare at women at the mall, walking down the street, at the gym, looking at them and thinking about how to approach and not get rejected. It's so normal to stalk women on Instagram, liking every single one of her stories and posts, wishing she answers one of your DMs one day. With modernity, it's even more normal to pay for a subscription on OnlyFans so you can see some dirty pictures of a girl that you like. Now, let's get straight to the point, shall we, mate? Chasing women is a waste of time, money, and energy. Approaching, stalking, texting, going to meaningless dates, giving flowers, giving your attention for free to a girl that's probably not worthy. It is pretty much the rule nowadays. That's how men are thinking. That's what they believe. To them, it's completely normal. It's how they think. But what if I tell you there's a way of attract women instead of chasing them? It's called self-improvement, and it's gonna change your life forever. Listen, there's a reason why high-value men attract way more women than a normal dude. There's a reason why a famous actor attracts way more women than a non-famous guy who works in a GameStop. And it's because they build themselves. They create a good life for themselves. They are confident, rich, fit, famous, and they don't care if a woman answers their messages or not. This is why self-improvement is crucial. When you invest in yourself, when you build a powerful mentality, when you build a great physique, when you make more money, when you are mission focused, you'll naturally be 100 times more attractive to females. And what I've noticed, what I've seen is currently happening in modern society, is that most men are lazy. They don't want to improve themselves. They prefer to chase girls because it's the normal thing to them. What I recommend is to first change that mindset and stop wasting your time chasing and start to attract. All you have to do is invest all your time into developing yourself, into pursuing your goals, your passion, your ambitions, which in the long term is way more beneficial to yourself. Listen, there's a quote that says, you don't have to chase butterflies because they'll fly away. You just have to take care of your garden so they can come to you. And it is absolutely true, mate. Women love men who are in a great position in life, high value men, because women want someone who can provide to them, who can protect them, and who can love them better than anybody else. This is how it works, mate. These are the rules of the game. Mind, physique, money, and stars. Start to build every single aspect of your life. Dedicate time to yourself. Learn how to love yourself. Learn how to respect yourself. Put your head down and stop trying to meet girls for a bit, alright? Just focus. Look, I know there are a lot of you that want a girlfriend, but the truth is that in 99% of the time, having a girlfriend is an obstacle. The other 1% exists in case you meet the kind of woman who's gonna be with you no matter what. The woman who's gonna fight for you all day long if it's necessary. The kind of woman who you should marry and raise children with. See, the problem is that it is extremely difficult to find someone like that, someone who's gonna prefer being with you than anything else. It's really hard to find someone who's willing to be with you even if you are broke, and also is willing to help you to get to the top. If you find a woman like that, then it's completely fine. Go and dedicate time to her because it'll be completely worth it in the long term. But like I said, this is just 1% of the cases, alright? That's why, again, it's so important to improve yourself. You don't know when you're gonna meet the woman of your life, the future mother of your kids. And I believe it's easier to find a good woman when you are a good man, a high value man. When you present the best version of yourself to the world, everything will naturally be better for you, not just in your dating life, but in every area of your life. So listen carefully, because it's about locking yourself away for a bit. Work on yourself in every area of your life for a few years, and then when you're ready to present the best version of yourself to the world, I swear it's gonna be easier to meet and hang out to beautiful top girls. The big problem, again, is that most men are doing the things backwards. First, they try to get the girl, and when they get the girl, they relax. They don't improve themselves. They don't try to look good. They don't try to make more money. They start to dedicate way too much time to their girlfriends. Look, mate, it's absolutely normal to be thinking about dating or meeting girls, okay? We're men, it's in our nature, and it's good to have fun sometimes, maybe one night. That's fine. I won't ever judge anyone for that, but we need to stay focused. It's a sacrifice we must make in order to achieve big things. Do you understand? It's a sacrifice I'm making myself, and I know it'll be worth it in the long run. Remember that if it was easy, everyone would do the same. Everyone would get into self-improvement, everyone would avoid distractions, everyone would choose to sacrifice pleasure for a bigger purpose, which is clearly not the case, is it? The ones who are sacrificing now will eventually know that it was worth it. Always remember why you start.